We are pleased to show you the 2017 C-Max Energi. The C-Max Energi is a hatchback with seating capacity of 5. Its powerful engine and stylish interior make it a great option for those looking for a functional and efficient vehicle. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, backup camera, Bluetooth, smart device integration, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.